will be teaching you how to turn off that annoying sound when you type on Android devices. The sound is this. So, step 1. There's 2 ways to do it. I'll show you both. You could go to settings, right here. Settings again. Then click on System Sound and turn off Samsung keyboard. The second way is you go up and click Do Not Disturb. Please subscribe for more.